Ready? Yes. 2, 3. Good evening and welcome to a new episode from Naktia Stop. We are starting from a very nice, yummy Argentinian restaurant Laura will be telling us about shortly, but I want to say congratulations because she did very well in her exams. Last week, Laura wasn't with me in the show. And you... Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm very happy that you really did very good. It was an English exam?
No, it was
Lithuanian. Lithuanian, okay. So, ready? Okay. Rado? 1, 2, 3. Can you stop doing like this? We're all drunk. Okay. You're filming? 1, 2, 3. Right. It is time for reviews now. Okay. Is that your lipstick here?
Yeah.
How cute. Okay, so tell me, what do you think of the food?
Iš tikrųjų, tai esu labai patenkinta. Maistas yra nuostabus, tobulas. Įsimylėjau šią virtuvę ir iš tikrųjų labai kviečiu visus čia apsilankyti.
Yes.
And what do you think about
I heard a lot of labais, which means that you really liked it.
Yeah.
I think it's very nice. It's the nice thing about it that they are really grilling those on a proper grill.
Yeah.
Not on just an electric grill or whatever. So it has the real taste of shashlik, you say in Lithuanian?
Shashlikas.
Shashlikas, yes. And I mean, all the food was good.
Yeah.
Service is good. So we from Naktia Stop think, yes, we recommend it. And let us know if you come here and you like the place, let us know.
Yes.
Write on our Facebook page. And if you didn't like it, also write that you didn't like it and tell us why. Okay?
Okay.
Shall we start the party?
Of course. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay?
Yes.
Labas vakaras.
Labą vakarą.
Tai šiandien čia matome štai instrumentus, tai gal galėtumėt papasakoti, kas čia šiandien vyksta?
Šiandien pas mus iš tikrųjų išskirtinis vakaras klubiniai kultūrai, tai pas mus atvyksta AC/DC Tribute, lietuviškas AC/DC projektas, tai tikrai iš naujo viską daroma, ne tik.
Okay, thank you, Jolanta. I'll see you next week. I'm back with Laura now. We started the episode and we're gonna end it together. And now we are attending an event in Mojo. Labas!
Labas! How are you?
I'm trying still to digest this really good Argentinian steak we had.
Yeah,
Like,
of course.
really?
Yeah, it was amazing, of course. And here will be amazing too, I think so.
Okay, so I understand there's some kind of live singing happening. We will depend on you now. Maybe we can catch the manager somewhere and get some information from him.
Of course, yeah.
Okay.
Sure, yeah. Taigi šiandien tiek. Nepamirškite mūsų čia kiekvieną penktadienį per TV6. Geros nakties, labanakt ir pailsėkite.
Yes. Thank you, Laura. Every Friday at 10:30 p.m. on TV6 is Naktia Stop Showtime. And also we can Showtime anytime on TV3 Play. Just download the app or through your laptops and PCs. I want to wish you a very good night and it's good to see you again and for Jolanta as well and see you next week. Give me that.
Šiandien tiek, nepamirškite žiūrėti mūsų kiekvieną penktadienį per TV6. Ačiū, kad žiūrėjote, linkime gero vakaro ir ramios nakties.
Yes, as Laura said, every Friday at 10:30 on TV6 is the showtime of our program, Naktia Stop, and at any time, everyone watching us from Lithuania, you can also outside Lithuania, because TV3 Play is not only on the motherfucking TV, it's also on the motherfucking internet. No, I mean, you piece of shits. Again.
Šiandien tiek.
1, 2, 3.
Šiandien tiek. Ačiū, kad
1, 2,
žiūrėjote.
3.
Šiandien tiek, ačiū, kad žiūrėjote. Kiekvieną
For the editing. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Šiandien tiek, ačiū, kad žiūrėjote ir nepamirškite žiūrėti mūsų kiekvieną penktadienį per TV6. Ačiū, gero vakaro, ramios nakties.
Yes. Thank you, Laura. As you said, every Friday, 10:30 p.m. on TV6 for all the foreigners watching us now and enjoying the nightlife in Lithuania, whether on TV6, the main Showtime evening of Nakties Top, or whether on TV3 Play from their laptops and from their mobiles and all sort of stuff. Jolanta, thank you as well. We had fun with you tonight. We'll see you next week. Laura, it's time to say good night for you. Give me a kiss. Give me that.
Kad visiems būtų babkių. Money talk. Let's go. Yeah. You make